Hey everyone, what's up? How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing fine. In this video, we are going to talk about permutation and combination. Let's quickly go through a definition and then we are going to write a Python program for it. So, permutation, a way, especially one of the several possible variation in which a set of numbers of things can be ordered or arranged. That's the definition of permutation. Now let's quickly look at the question and try to solve that. All right, create all permutation of an input string with no duplication. If present, this means you should shuffle all the letters from input in all possible orders. All right. For example, permutation of A is A, permutation of AB is AB, AB, BA. So basically two possible combinations, right? So let's write a program for this in Python. So let me open my idle. So yep, I'm gonna do is import iter tools. Oops, iter tools, yes. Then user equals to let me take an input from the user input enter string. Oops, I'm typing too fast, I think. That's okay. Now I need to convert that into a list. So the way I do that is by typing a command known as list. So then I pass in the same parameters and print the user. So in this way I can check whether this is working or not. If I enter my name, it got converted into a list. That's beautiful. That's what I want. Then permutation, permutation, permutations. Permutation equals to iter tools dot permutations. I'm gonna perform it on. Oops. That's why you should always type slowly. All right, that's okay. So permutations takes two arguments. That is the list on which you want to perform and the length. All right. So then we are going to iterate to that permutation for permutation. That's all, guys. Then we are done. Let's see if it works. So if I run this program and enter a string sawmill, lovely, we got a combination. Now, small trick. Now we want how many combinations are possible of this string. How are we gonna do that? That means this program is okay. It's all right. This works absolutely fine. What I mean to say, if I enter AB, I get two possible values, A, B, and BA. So if I enter, let's say, my name, Soman Latinsha, how many are the possible permutations of my name? How do I do that? Simple code. Let me just show you. First, pause the video, think about it, how it can be done, and then I'm going to tell you the solution. So, all right. So I hope you came up with an innovative idea. So the way I do is it using a counter. So I create a variable. Caps. Okay. So the way I do it is by using a variable on as counter. Every time this loop runs, I increment the counter. Lovely. Now let's run and see how many possible permutation of my name Sawmill. 720. That's amazing. If I enter my full name, let's see how many. Sawmill space Nitin space. All right. I think my program will crash because I know it might be a long, maybe thousands or I think millions of combination. So here you can see actually it's doing all the different combination permutation right now. I mean, let me stop it before my program crashes. So yep, I just stopped it. So here is a beautiful way in which you can perform permutation on Python. So I hope you guys learned something new, and if so, do give me a like, comment, and the code is there in the description section below of my GitHub account. Please like me, please share my video if you learned something. There are a lot of more tutorial videos on my YouTube. You can learn hacking is there, Python is there, GUI application with Python, Raspberry Pi, IoT. So I hope you guys are enjoying my videos, and that's it. See you guys in the next video about combination. Thank you guys.